Hey, SgtLocksmith here. Okay, we're going to do a quick video. We're going to change the battery out on our 3-button remote here. This task, you will need a flat tip screwdriver. If your key ring is attached, don't worry. It can get in the way, but most of the time it doesn't. You go and rotate your key to the side, you'll notice you have an indentation. Go ahead and put your flat tip screwdriver in there and twist it. And when you twist these, there's little tabs on here that hold everything down. This one here, you notice how I'm going to the front of it? That's where you need to worry about. You want that to pop up. Then take your flat tip, slide it down the side, and twist it. Don't twist it so hard that you get the plastic to deform itself. We've got it open. Now that we've got it open, you'll see you have the 3 tabs that hold the battery down. Come to the opposite side where there's not a metal tab, just put the flat tip under there, lift the battery up. The reason why I say that is you got those tabs. If you pry on that, you can bend this. This is a CR 2032 battery. These are new remotes we're using for the videos, so we're going to go and reinstall it. Positive side down, you notice how it went in. Now if you look on here, there's a little lip. That is the first thing you're going to have to get to go in first. I found the easiest way to do this is take the 2 halves and you'll join it together and then start working your way around. There you go. The seam is together. We're good. Thanks again for watching SgtLocksmith. Let's be safe out there, and go ahead and check out other videos and playlists that we have of how-tos and do-it-yourselfers for your home, residential, and basic locksmithing, with more videos to come. Thanks again for watching.